welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the Labor Day tool deals. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals. And if you want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos, hit the subscribe, hit the like button. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Pretty much we got some Moors here. They still got some Eagles, $3.99 and $4.99. I guess one of them spare tool. And then we got the Joby here for $2.59 and $3.59 with the self-propelled. Now we got this one on sale, $169. This is a 15-inch cordless string trimmer from Eagle. Really nice string trimmer, $169. That's the top of the box there. And then we got some more power tools here, yard tools, $159 and $99 for the 18 bolts. So we got some more Joby here. Actually, this shelf is pretty empty. It's just the time, I guess. $129 for either a drill driver or an impact driver. They are the XR, so these are the one of the better brands or better models from made in the USA, obviously. So it says right there. And on this side they just had the drills. On the other side they had the impact drivers. They still had a few left. $79.99 for the pack of 2 amp hour batteries. And then the 50 piece, $14.97. Some more drills right there. And the rigid cordless, $99. Does come with the filter and some accessories. Yeah, guys, that's $24.97. There's other stores that have them without the bags. They just give you the filters for like 27 something. But just make sure you get the free bags. You get the bags in the kit, and for $24.97, because there's two different ones out there. So that's the much better deal. The $24 one. $99 for 2 brushless tools. Definitely a nice set there. You got 2 4 amp hour batteries. Definitely a great. But then again, if you want to get into the DeWalt, there you go. You do have the DeWalt here. Those are the atomics. So they had a few atomics left here. Seems like, me personally, I like the XR. Let me know down in the comment section which one would you prefer if they're the same price. You know, on the other one you get pretty much the same thing, but you know, it's brushless XR. And the atomics is brushless too, but it's just like a downgrade from the XR. And then you got some Makita here, a 2-pack of batteries. All these tools are $99, just to let you know. $9.97 for the sockets, or the drivers there. That's the impact driver with the battery. And they got the Diablos. Some nice blades there. And then yeah, the AC Pros down to $34.97. So yeah, it's almost summer's almost over. Really nice lights there from Milwaukee and DeWalt. Yeah, guys, this is the buy one get one free. You get any of those tools on the right for free if you buy one of those kits on the left. As you guys see there, $229 for the 2 tool. They are all fuel though, so you got the choice, either the 2 tool, the installation driver, or the hacksaw. Yeah, these are definitely some great deals, guys, because they do come with batteries already, and you're just gonna get it. Yeah, they had a few of them left at the bottom, but some of them were sold out, as you guys see there. So definitely recommend those deals for you guys, just to buy one get one free. And you do have some atomic deals here at the bottom, $2.99. It's pretty much a buy more save more. So you buy $500 worth of stuff and you get like $175 off. So if you buy the 500, and they do separate the prices, so you can pretty much get a prorated price for each item you buy. Same thing with Makita, is running a free deal, free tool or free battery. My bad. So $229 for the first one. It's a subcompact, and then you got the brushless, $279, and then you get a free 2 amp hour. And then for this $3.99 deal, you get a 5 amp hour battery for free. So yeah, they did have one of the bigger kits there for $3.99. They did have almost all of them. Seems like they're not selling a lot on this Home Depot. But yeah, the other ones were pretty much gone. They only had one or two left from the other deals. Milwaukee is doing the same thing. You buy one of those kits, you get a free battery. Either you get a 5 amp hour battery with a single kit or a single tool, or you can buy two, a mixture of a tool or a kit or two tools, and you get 2 6s. So definitely some great deals here if you guys want to get into this platform. Definitely recommend the Fuel. Fuel's probably one of the better. Yeah, that $4.99 kit doesn't convince me a lot. It's mostly older tools, but yeah, those smaller kits there for $269 and $349, definitely recommend those. Those are the Fuel. So those are pretty much top of the line of Milwaukee there. You got the Gator Grip. If you guys haven't used this or haven't seen it, there you go. I seen that on TV. It's funny how they advertise it. The Gator. $12.88 for the Diablos. And then you got some saws here. $9.88. Some really nice grip on these saws. Like the grip on those. Pretty good. And then they had some gloves here for $19.97. It's demolition. And if you want to protect your knuckles, they do have that rubber portion part there, so you can pretty much protect your knuckles. $9.88 for those Diablos. Definitely recommend those spade bits. It's the same as the Daredevils. $19.97 for those glasses, safety glasses. Definitely recommend those. Those are really comfortable. Some nice gloves there. And they do have you can even touch your screen with those or manage your cell phone with those. They are touch screen sensitive. Got some markers there, and then you got some more gloves. $19.88 for 2 pair. Definitely some nice gloves there for the winter. $24.97 for those lights. Those lights are definitely really nice. I got too many lights already in my house. I was gonna pick it up, but yeah, I think I got too many in my house already. But yeah, it's a really nice light there, as you guys could see. You got the torch. Definitely some great blades there. $29.97. And they didn't have any oscillating, so no oscillating blades left. Got some more gloves there. It's I believe it's a pack of 3. $12.97. You got a tape measure there, 25 feet, $9.97, and some $14.97 for those screwdrivers. Really nice grip, like I said. Milwaukee's always great on that. You got yeah, buy one get one free, and I was just amazed how they had this rocket light on display. So really nice, really solid, feels really good. There's been reviews out there that's I guess it pinches you when you stretch it, or when you put it back together, when you put it into a compact. But it is Milwaukee, so it's a good, great tool. It's pretty much one of the better brands out there. So definitely some great deals here. $279, you get a free tool. So you guys can see it looks really nice standing up. It's about, I would say, about 5 feet, 4.5. So really nice. That's the kit right there. Just 2 4 amp hours, a charger in the bag. They got plenty on this one. So $169 bare tool. Yeah, I definitely recommend you guys get the free batteries. A lot better deal. $299 for that kit, and $169 for the two batteries for the 3 amp hour. They are the high output, by the way. And that's the kit right there, 2 tool kit. $29.88 for the hole dozers. 45 piece, $19.97. Either 45 or 15 piece. $59 for that battery. And then that's a brushed combo, just to let you know. $149. So if you throw a little bit more, you get pretty much a brushless if you buy another combo kit or another brand. That's the $99 deal. You get a free tool. So they do have the $179 and the $99 deal at this Home Depot. You just have to look for the tools because they don't have any here, as you guys see. Well, they did have some, but they don't have a lot. So not a lot, you know, wide selection there. But you can always go back to the Milwaukee section and pick them up if you don't see them here. So they got the nice radio there, the hacksaw. They got the ratchet. So really nice deals here. If you guys looking into expanding your line or getting into a new line there, this is definitely a great brand. $79.97 for the medium size, $129 for the bottom wheels, and $249 for the whole thing. So yeah, I was looking at these coolers, and this they look exactly the same, these two. The lid is the only difference. But yeah, this cooler is a little small. I would think it's mostly for like 1 or 2 people, maybe a 3-person crew, but you're pushing it there because it's fairly small, and it does have the thick walls like the Yeti. So I guess you're gonna, you know, you're gonna reduce capacity because of the performance out of that thing. So I was looking for some Tough System 2.0. No Tough System 2.0 in this store. That's the only DeWalt box that they had, and a few organizers. So no 2.0 on this store. And that's the clearance section pretty much. They just have some light fixtures, some home stuff, not any power tools or anything. Anyways, just want to share this with you guys. Have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.